Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I want to show you an easy way to send voice notes and voice comments through Gmail using Mote. It's a Chrome extension called Mote, and once you have it installed, you'll see it appear as a little button in your Gmail. So let's say I'm going to send an email to my buddy Mason. So I'll send it to Mason. There we go. And we'll say, hey Mason, listen to this one. And say, you won't believe this. Click to listen to this recording. Now I'm going to just click on Mote, and it's recording me. I'll say, hey Mason, you're not going to believe it, but this morning the power went out at my house, and no sooner had I gotten the generator started and running, but the power came back on. Then I can click to stop the recording, and it inserts that Mote note right inside my Gmail. Now I'm going to send this off, and we'll take a look at how Mason receives this note and how he can listen to it. So let's go ahead and hit that send button. Then we're going to take a look at Mason's inbox. So here's Mason's inbox. He's received this message. You won't believe this. Click to listen to this recording. And so he just clicks on that. And it takes him right to this page where he can now listen to the recording. And it's recording me. I'll say, hey Mason, you're not going to believe it, but this morning, so that's Mote. You'll find it at justmote.me. It's a handy little tool for sending voice notes through Gmail. And if you didn't see my previous video about Just Mote, you can also use it for voice commenting on Google Classroom, Google Docs, and Google Slides presentations. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or check out practicaledtech.com.